Hello students, a very warm good morning to all of you. How are you all? Fine, good. This is your English class. Which class? English class. In last class, we have completed chapter 1 book exercise. Everybody complete the book work? Everybody complete? Okay, now take out your English copy. Everybody take out your English copy. What is the date today? Today we will do difficult words and question answer in the copy. So take out everybody your English copy. What is the day? Friday. 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 Write down here C. Chapter CHAPTER. Chapter 1. What is the name of the chapter? Lena gets lucky. Everybody do this work in the copy. Firstly, every student draw this picture in your copy. In first page, write down date, chapter, Lena gets lucky, draw this picture. After that, in next page, you will do this work. Everybody. So today we will do difficult words in the copy. Writing should be neat and clean and formation should be correct. Write down here difficult words. Spell out difficult words. DIFFICULT. Difficult words. WORDS. Difficult words. First word is brown. Spell out brown. 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 Brown means bhura. Brown means bhura. What was the color of the puppy? Puppy का color क्या था? Brown. Spelled out brown. 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 Second word is drain. Spelled out drain. 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 Everybody note down this word in your English copy. Drain. Third is heard. HEARD. Heard means सुनना. Lena was sitting on the chair. She heard. उसने सुना. क्या सुना? एक साउंड सुनी बाहर. और जब पपी नाली में गिर जाता है उसे पेन होता है, उसकी साउंड आती है. हियर होता है सुनना. जैसे अब आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं. हियर. फोर्थ इज हैप्पीली. HAPPILY. हैप्पीली. हैप्पीली मीन्स खुशी से. हैप्पीली मीन्स खुशी से. HAPPILY. Happily. I have no space, that's why I am writing here. Everybody write down here in your copy. Number 5. Jumped. Spelled out jump. JUMPED. Jumped. Jump means कूदना. Jump means कूदना. Jumped. Jumped. Six is promise. Spell out promise. 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 Promise means वादा करना. Tiny. Tiny. Tiny means छोटा. Again I am repeating these D words. BROWN. Brown. Brown means भूरा. Brown is a color. DRAIN. Drain. Drain means नाली. Heard. 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 Heard means सुनना. HAPPILY. Happily. Happily means खुशी से. Fifth is JUMPED. Jumped. Jumped means कूदना. Sixth is PROMISE. Promise. Promise means वादा करना. Promise means वादा करना. TINY. Tiny. Tiny means छोटा. Everybody note down this word in your copy. After that we will do question answer in the copy. Okay? Now erase it. Question answer. Next page पर write down CA chapter 1 question answer like this. Chapter 1 question answer. Okay student, write down. Question number 1. Who was lucky? Who was lucky? LUCKY. Question mark. Who was lucky? Lucky कौन था? Give me the answer. Who was lucky in this chapter? कौन है इस चैप्टर में लकी? कौन था लकी इस चैप्टर में? लकी was a puppy. LUCKY. लकी was a puppy. PUPPY. Write down the full stop. लकी was a puppy. लकी क्या था? एक पपी था. डॉग का बेबी था. Do fast. Second question is how was the day? How was the day? यानी वो दिन कैसा था? कैसा था स्टूडेंट? How was the day? Day कैसा था? A rainy day. Write down the full stop. Note down this work fast. Done. Now I erase it. Come to the question number 3. First question I am erasing here. Question number 3. Where did Lena find the puppy? Write down question mark. Where did Lena find the puppy? It means where means कहाँ did Lena find the puppy? लीना को पपी कहाँ पर मिला था, कहाँ उसे पपी मिला था? Give me the answer. लीना को पपी कहाँ मिला था? In the drain, नाली में. Write down the answer. Lena found, FOUND, found the puppy in the drain. Lena found the puppy in the drain. Complete this work in your copy. And now everybody take out your English literature book. Which book? English literature book. The English Coach. Today we will do poem. Everybody take out English book, page number 30. This poem, Kittens, Kittens. Kittens, kittens. Reading. Page number 30. Today we will do this poem. Kittens कौन होता है? Who is kitten? Baby of cat. Cat के बेबी को क्या बोलते हैं? Kitten. क्या बोलते हैं cat के बेबी को? Kitten. Now, everybody take out. Speak. Kittens, kittens. बोलिए kittens, kittens. Everywhere. EVERY. Every. WHERE. Where? Kittens string on my hair. Kitten strings on my hair. Kittens CLIMBING climbing up my jeans. Kittens hanging 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 from the screens. Firstly, we will revise these 4 lines. Everybody speak. Kittens, kittens everywhere. Kittens, kittens everywhere. Kitten string on my hair. Kittens, kittens everywhere. Kitten string on my hair. Kittens climbing up my jeans. Kittens climbing up my jeans. Kittens climbing up my jeans. Kittens hanging from the screens. kittens hanging from the screens. It means kittens क्या है, कैट के बेबी है हर जगह. Kitten chewing on my hair. Chewing क्या होता है, चबाना, मेरे हेयर को चबा रहा है. Kittens climbing up my jeans. Kittens मेरे जींस पर चढ़ रहा है. Kittens hanging from the screens. वो स्क्रीन से क्या हो रहा है, हैंग हो रहा है, लटक रहा है. तो speak again. Kittens everywhere. Kittens chewing on my hair. Kittens climbing up my jeans. Kittens hanging from the screens. Everybody got it? Everybody learn this poem. Next. There is a kitten on EACH, each shoulder. SHOULDER. shoulder क्या होता है, जो हमारे कंधे. Will they do this when they are old? When they are older. OLDER. There is a kitten on each shoulder. Will they do this when they are older? Will they do this when they are older? This is your first stanza. Again repeat. Kittens everywhere. Kittens chewing on my hair. Kittens climbing up my jeans. Kittens hanging from the screen. There is a kitten on his shoulder. There is a kitten on his shoulder. Will they do this when they are older? Will they do this when they are older? This is the first stanza of your poem. Everybody learn this stanza. First stanza. In the next class, we will continue the poem. Okay? Everybody read the first stanza of the poem. अगली क्लास में, नेक्स्ट क्लास में when we will meet, we will do the next stanza of this poem. Reading is must. Everybody do reading of one page daily in English and Hindi in both subjects. Reading is must. Okay, and note down the work, D-words and question answer in your English copy. There is no need to make another copy. You will continue the copy. Okay, you have already English grammar copy. You will continue in that copy. English work also. There is a one copy of English. It is clear, everybody? Do the work in the same copy. Firstly, you will draw the picture like this. See, firstly you will draw the picture. आप draw करेंगे picture. On the next page note down the difficult words, and the next page you will do question answer. And writing should be neat and clean. I will check your copy. Okay, it is clear? Okay student, it is clear? Okay, we will meet next class. Bye bye, take care.